What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Thursday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott and it's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. It's getting a bit warmer in here. It's -1 here today. It's absolutely freezing. We need warmer weather, guys. OBS, I forgot to turn OBS off last night and I left it streaming. Now I shut my laptop. I don't know at what time this morning my laptop decided to turn itself on, and OBS was like, yeah, fuck it, we're streaming then, aren't we? And sent the stream to YouTube. So thanks if you watched the desktop for the last hour or two, however long it was on, not too sure. But last night we had people ask about FLR. There seems a little bit of confusion within the community about FLR and Spark token, FLR, yeah? So I'm gonna break it down a little bit now, right? The FLR trading on Bitrue currently is an IOU. Or, more specifically, it's a you owe them, right? You owe whoever you sell them FLR to, FLR, right? So at the moment, we joined the snapshot and that, and Bitrue know you're going to be getting some FLR. So they've gone, right, here's an IOU of FLR. So we're going to give you these units, and we will owe you FLR. We owe you FLR. But if you sell them IOUs, you then owe the next person you sell it to. So if Dave sells Steve his 10 FLR that was an IOU, Steve then receives the IOU in Bitrue. He hasn't got the FLR, he's got the IOU. Can't sell it, can sell it back to XRP, but he can't withdraw it, can't move it anywhere else. Upon the actual airdrop, it will go to the wallet it's supposed to be at. Wherever that IOU ends up is where the Spark will be distributed to. So, if you're wondering why you haven't got any FLR in your wallet yet from the airdrop, is because none have been airdropped. Bitrue just issued IOUs, and then if you sell them, it means you've given it to someone else, meaning you owe them. So the FLR token, I mean, they've done it here. Like Crypto News Flash have done a little write-up, so we're going to have a little read through it and see what they say anyway, see if it gives us any decent numbers and that. I mean, it was 13 cents, it went up to somewhere like 20 cents. Coming back down to 13 as far as I'm aware. So the FLR token in the form of an IOU has been trading today. FLR Network's head of business development will speak at a conference on digital finance in Africa. Amidst the controversy over the US Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against its partner Ripple Labs, FLR Networks is celebrating the start of its trading, of trading for its Spark token, FLR, on Bitrue. In a publication, the platform confirmed that the token is available starting today, January the 6th. The CNF reports a snapshot of the addresses of all eligible XRP holders was taken on December the 12th, 2020. To determine those eligible for the Spark token airdrop. 15% of all FLR tokens will be distributed to the eligible holders sometime in the first or second quarter of the year. However, Bitrue has already allowed its users to exchange FLR tokens for the XRP FLR pair today through an informal means known as an IOU. After FLR Networks announced what the XRP FLR distribution rate looks like a few days ago, Bitrue was able to calculate the exact amount of FLR its users will receive. Through this, Bitrue could now start trading the IOU. However, Bitrue also clarified that real trading of FLR will only be possible after the official distribution of the token, and stated the following restriction. Please note that FLR trading will only be available to users who have passed the KYC verification. FLR trading will not be available to US or Singaporean users until the official Spark distribution, which is expected to happen around Q1 or Q2 2021. In the XRP community, the news is considered highly bullish. Crypto Error stated via Twitter. Eddie was on the stream. You need to sort your desktop out, Eddie. I just lost my train of thinking where I am. Stating that Bitrue's IOU are a sample of future bullish sentiment for the trading pair. There are high expectations that trading on the platform will continue to increase and the FLR distribution will be beneficial to all XRP holders. XRP holders are incredibly lucky to be the most exciting DeFi space of the XRP ledger. Ability to wrap stable coins with FLR finance. Take no prisoners. Onwards. At the time of publication, FLR/XRP trading pair recorded a trading volume of 3.5 million FLR with an initial release of about 0.10, which has risen to 0.58 at press. Tarnis presents an increase of 494% at its highest point of trade. The pair stood at 1.50, meaning XRP, so it means 1.5 XRP at its high, as it's currently its all-time high. It's currently at half an XRP. 0.58 is half an XRP. The fact it's actually got a value, guys, you can go and look at it. So the FLR Networks is going to participate in the summit in Africa. Alright? On the other hand, the XRP and the Spark community can celebrate the invitation of the head of business development for FLR Networks, Mohammed Taser, to the Africa Digital Finance Summit. The FLR Networks representative will be part of a discussion on the future of Africa in the growing digital finance industry. Taser had the following to say about the event. I'm excited to be speaking at the Africa Digital Finance Summit next month. I'm excited to talk about the future of finance in Africa. Looking forward to engaging with everyone. FLR available, baby. I think it's mint, me. I think it's mint. These IOUs, we all didn't really... Well, a few of us didn't really know how they was going to play out or pan out at first, but it just shows, doesn't it? They've been able to release a token before its actual release just due to IOUs. I was going to say, where the hell's that glare coming from then? It's the car behind me. XRP! It's getting a bit of a pump. Trading with FLR, I don't know. I don't know what's going on, eh? US and Singaporeans cut out. I feel a bit bad for US citizens, because I feel like what's going to happen is XRP is going to start going up, and it'll range from 25 to 35, 40 cents for the next month or so. But then we're going to get some clarity on the SEC situation, and it's going to go somewhat rotten. No doubt post January the 20th, when all the Americans are pretty much priced out. So, if you haven't got XRP and you want some XRP, I highly advise that you get on a VPN and you try and join an international exchange, or try upholding the States. You will have to see. But XRP is currently on 29 cents. There's its coin market cap chart. It's on its way there. Don't tell me it's not. You're buzzing off Ethereum's 45-degree angle. Look at XRP there. It's gone bosh. Off skis, mate. It's very, very interesting. There's also something else that's happened over the last 24 hours. Look at the market cap. Oh. 1 trillion. 4,500,453,982 dollars. It's over a trillion. It's over a trillion. Fucking hell. Nah, it's good news though, isn't it? Now, we wait and see how many news outlets, mainstream media news and shit, actually run with the news Cryptocurrency market cap breaks 1 trillion for first time ever. There's more money in crypto now than there was in the bull run of 2018. There's fucking 150 billion more in. Do you know what I mean? Not just a little bit more. 150 billion more value, more like extra value than there was in 2018 peaks. And some of the tokens are not even at their all-time highs yet. This alt season, it might well see that push to the 1.2, 1.34 trillion relatively quick, adding another 100, 200, 300 billion on just like that. Because I'm telling you, some shit's got to move for some of them to get to their all-time high. Don't get me wrong, a lot of them are approaching it, and it's cool as fuck. I'm loving it. But the fact of the matter is, some of them are nowhere near it. And again, not all of them will make it. We've established that. But we think most of us expect XRP to get back to a new all-time high, and it's flaming. It's got a times 10, mate. And some. Do you know what I mean? IOTA at all-time highs, well higher than what it's at the moment. Loads of them in the top. I should have bought more Zilliqa the other day. It's all started going on it. I mean, Yearn Finance is still 29 grand. Madness. Madness. It's just good to be in alt season. It's good to be in alt season. It's good to see a bit of green. And it's good to see the portfolio start moving. We had VeChain at new all-time highs. We had Cardano absolutely smashing it. You got XLM pretty much smashing it. XRP started smashing it up to near 30 cents. And again, just because they're smashing it of fucking 10 to 30 to 70%, it doesn't mean they're the moves we want. We don't need to be ridiculously buzzing off them moves. It's hardly fucking moon. Do you know what I mean? When Lambo will, after fucking 3,000%, mate, not 30. And depends, do you know what I mean? We need to look at the long game. We need to be patient. Not that you can't take profits out over time, but the big gains, the moonshots. I've got a feeling the SEC clarity might trigger it. I've got a feeling the release of CBDCs could be a bit of a catalyst running to the back end of this year and early into next year. I think we're going to be on a gradual progression at the moment, and then all of a sudden it'll be moonshot. So people will be gradually priced out now. Everyone in America selling XRP because you don't want to know, and now all of a sudden it's back at 30 cents. It was people was telling us to sell at 18 cents less than 2 weeks ago. Fucking dickheads. Some of these people are so-called traders who are trying to help us protect our fucking wealth. Tell you what, mate, shut your fucking mouth and let me do what I want to do with my money, eh? And stop messaging me telling me to sell shit at 18 cents. Shut your mouth. Stop telling people what to do with their own shit. If you sold yours, that's on you, boo. That's on you, boo. That's on you. Not me. Yeah, and I think it's super fucking exciting at the end of the day. And FLR, people just need to keep an eye on it. Not only for the value, but for the actual drop. You need to go and have a look at FLR Finance. You've got, there's FLR Scan available now as well, so you can have a look at the transactions on the network. We looked on the stream last night. There's loads of different uses, and practical uses, and ways you can use the FLR Finance network. And everything to mining, to running a node, becoming an agent, and all that. It's good. We're just waiting for more official information on the actual drop, and then when the network goes live. After that, it's full steam ahead, in my opinion. And I just, like I say, I feel for the Americans who are now, well, not just yet, but are very soon going to be locked out. I mean, you could have been buying XRP at 18 cents the other day, and now it's 29. But most people was fucking selling it like idiots. So do what you want to do. I know I'm absolutely fucking buzzing, and I can't wait for another couple of years to pass and see what position we're in then. We need lockdown to end so we can start planning a DLT con. Yeah, can't fucking wait to do another one of them. Right, I'm gonna get apprentice will be here soon, so we're getting ready to go to work. You know the dance, guys. Invest in yourself, invest in the internet of value, live long and hodl it till you're ready to let it go. Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Actually, Mark, it's I need to get the thing up because I actually want to make sure I get his name done right, man. Like Mark Morgan Gunn. Rest in peace, my friend. It was a pleasure meeting you. Actually, quite shocked by the news when I saw it on Twitter. Learning Crypto Limited, one of the founding members, we learned of the passing of one of their founding members of the company, Mark Morgan Gunn. He helped them start the journey in the summer of 2018 until June 2020. I shared an image of him on Twitter from DLTCon 2019. Rest in peace, Mark. I don't know what happened. I don't know thing, but at the end of the day, I keep trying to say it to people, tomorrow isn't promised. A little bit of gratitude that we're here today, that we've actually woke up this morning. You never know what day is going to be your last. We can plan for the future. Make sure you enjoy today. Seriously. Patience is a good thing. Planning for the future is a good thing. But it's not promised. So make sure you enjoy today. Yeah. Love you guys. I really appreciate you watching. And until next time, take care. Peace out.